How to start dropshipping and make money. This video is designed to help you plan and start dropshipping. At the end of the video you'll find a valuable gift. It's a quality business plan template that you can download and modify to prepare a professional business plan for your business. If you are new to this channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button for more videos like this. If you're ready to embark on this entrepreneurial journey, then keep watching, because we have all the tips and tricks you need to get started. Let's dive in. Part 1. What is dropshipping? Before we jump into the nitty-gritty, let's first understand what dropshipping is. Dropshipping is an e-commerce business model where you, as the dropshipper, don't keep any inventory. Instead, you partner with suppliers who fulfill customer orders on your behalf. This means you can focus on marketing and customer acquisition, while your suppliers handle inventory management and shipping. Part 2. Finding a profitable niche. The first step to success in dropshipping is finding a profitable niche. Look for a niche that has a passionate audience and high demand but isn't oversaturated with competition. Research trending products, analyze market trends, and identify gaps you can fill with unique offerings. Tools like Google Trends and social media platforms can help you gauge popularity and interest in specific niches. Part 3. Identifying reliable suppliers. Choosing the right suppliers is crucial for your dropshipping business. Look for reputable suppliers with a proven track record of quality products and reliable shipping. Popular platforms like AliExpress, Oberlo, and Salehu can connect you with trustworthy suppliers. It's essential to establish good communication and build relationships with your suppliers to ensure smooth operations and timely order fulfillment. Part 4. Setting up your online store. Now it's time to set up your online store. Platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, and BigCommerce offer user-friendly interfaces to create and customize your store. Choose an appealing design, optimize your product pages with compelling descriptions and high-quality images, and make sure your website is mobile-friendly. Don't forget to integrate secure payment gateways and implement effective SEO strategies to drive organic traffic to your store. Part 5. Marketing and driving traffic. Once your store is up and running, it's time to market your products and drive traffic. Utilize social media platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and Pinterest to showcase your products and engage with potential customers. Influencer marketing, content creation, and running targeted ads can also help boost your brand's visibility. Additionally, invest time in search engine optimization, SEO, to rank higher in search results and attract organic traffic. Part 6. Managing orders and customer service. As your dropshipping business grows, efficient order management and exceptional customer service become paramount. Use automation tools like Oberlo or Dropify to streamline order processing and tracking. Provide clear and transparent shipping and return policies to build trust with your customers. Respond promptly to customer inquiries and concerns to maintain a positive reputation and increase customer satisfaction. Part 7. Scaling your business. Congratulations! You've built a successful dropshipping business. Now, it's time to scale. Continuously analyze your sales data, identify top-performing products, and explore new niches to expand your product catalog. Optimize your marketing strategies, experiment with new channels, and leverage email marketing to retain customers and drive repeat purchases. Remember, scaling takes time and effort, so stay persistent and adapt to market trends. Conclusion. And there you have it, a guide on how to start dropshipping and make money online. By finding a profitable niche, partnering with reliable suppliers, setting up an appealing online store, effectively marketing your products, and providing excellent customer service, you can pave the way for a successful dropshipping business. Remember, consistency, persistence, and adaptability are key. Thank you for watching. Please hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any future content. If you have any questions or comments, please let us know in the comments section below. As we conclude this video, it's time you get your free business plan template. Go to the description below this video to get it now. It is completely free, no strings attached.